we're gonna jump on in. I'm going to begin with the New Lens Root Stimulating Shampoo, and this contains apricot oil and green tea. Now, it says that it cleanses and awakens, and I think that is a nice way to say that it gives you all of those tingles on your scalp, which I absolutely love. So I already wet my hair because it was old and very dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and actually put the majority of the shampoo on my fingertips so that I can go right into my hair, because I want to try to begin like in the scalp on the roots first, because like I said, my hair is very dirty. Then I'm just going to go through all of my hair, just applying it everywhere. So the things I really like about this shampoo is, one, it smells amazing. All the products in this line smell really, really good. It also tingles on your scalp so that you know that you're getting that really deep, really good clean. And with not only the scalp, it truly does cleanse your hair. So I don't feel like my hair feels too stripped, but you can definitely tell that it's been cleaned. And that's one thing that I absolutely love about it. It's like it's doing everything that I needed to do that I didn't even know I wanted the shampoo to do. So I really do enjoy the shampoo. I don't think that I could detangle with it. It doesn't necessarily say anything about detangling, but I know that some naturals like to try to detangle with shampoo. I don't think that this is a shampoo that you will want to detangle with. You can definitely try if you would like to, but that's just not my testimony. As I've gotten to all of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out. I'm probably going to add just a little more shampoo just to make sure that my hair is really, really clean, and then I'll be back to talk about the next product. So now that my hair has been fully washed and it's feeling super clean, I'm going to go in with the Root Rejuvenating Conditioner, and this also has the apricot oil and green tea, and it's supposed to be moisturizing and fortifying. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this, but first I do want to say that after rinsing my hair, it feels incredibly soft. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I'm not like huge on shampoos. Like I can kind of use any shampoo and just kind of go, but this shampoo is definitely one I see myself reaching for, because my hair just feels so soft. It feels incredibly soft. I know that it's clean, like I know that it's been cleansed, and my scalp is just tingling, especially as I'm moving. I talk my hand, so as I'm moving my hand around, I feel the coolness on my scalp, which I absolutely love. So that adds to all the reasons why I really, really, really like this shampoo. So now going in with the conditioner. This conditioner is thick, but it's also, you see how much is left? So that's why I say it's thick, but it also is liquidy, if that makes sense. It's like thick and very creamy. And I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that on my hair. And with conditioners, I'm always very generous, so that's not gonna change. So I'm gonna go in and hit like the hot spots, because I like to make sure, especially in the front and in the back, I wanna make sure that my hair is getting all of the love. I wanna not only focus on just the hair strands, but I also like to focus on, the roots of the hair. So once again, this conditioner smells amazing. It also goes on really easily. Like I said, it's very creamy, so you can really feel it get into all of your hair. Like you know exactly where it is, and you know if you missed a spot, because you're going to definitely feel the difference. Like my hair already felt soft because of the shampoo, but even adding this on, like you just get even more softness, and you can also tell just by the creaminess of the conditioner where it is and where it's not. Now this conditioner is very, very moisturizing. You can feel it while you're putting it on, and you can definitely feel it when you wash it out. Like you'll see that there's a complete difference. And even with this just being the conditioner on my hair, you can see the transformation. Like you can see how much it plumped my hair up already, and that wasn't even from me just kind of going like this, but you could tell already before I did that, like it just plumps your hair. So that's one thing that I know when a product talks about moisturizing your hair. If you're not getting that plumpness within your hair, then where's the moisture coming from? You know what I mean? Because I feel like when I get that plumpness, that means that my hair is taking in that moisture, which you want, especially if it's a moisturizing conditioner. So that's another thing that I really, really love about this product, is it does what it says it's supposed to do. So once I'm done with the conditioners, I will rinse them out, and then I will be back with our next product. So now that the conditioner is fully rinsed out, I went ahead and sectioned my hair, because I want to do this next part in sections just to make it a little easier. So I'm going to start off with this back section, and actually going to section my sections. And so what I'm going to do is just start off with small layers, and I'm just making like a straight line across this one section, and I'm going to be going in with the next product, which happens to be my favorite product out of this line. I absolutely love this product. This is the Scalp Revitalizing Treatment infused with green tea, and it nourishes and invigorates. So what I like to do is concentrate this on the scalp, and I love this little spout. Like that's probably why they made it that way, so it can go directly to the scalp. And what I do is spray it on, and then I rub it in. And that is it. So I do that for every section throughout my hair, and I'm going to continue to do it literally just on my scalp, because I feel like that's exactly what this product is for. I need to detangle my hair a little better. I went through quickly, but it should be all right. So I'm going to go through this section and do the same thing. When I'm done with the full section, what I will do is go in with just my palms, so not your actual nails, but just palms, and just massage it through on the scalp. So that way, anywhere I missed, or anywhere that may not have gotten hit with the scalp treatment, it's going to move over to those different areas and get throughout all of my scalp. Now what I will say is this treatment, you definitely feel this too. It's not overwhelming whatsoever, but just like I said, the shampoo, you can feel the tingle. With this scalp treatment, you can definitely feel where it is, and you will know if you missed a section. What I'm gonna do is go through the rest of my head with the scalp treatment, and then I will come back with the last product. So now all of my hair is coated with, well, let me rephrase that, all of my scalp is coated with the Scalp Revitalizing Treatment, and now I'm going to go in with the last product of this line, and this is the Anti-Breakage Defense Serum, and this is infused with apricot oil, and it's supposed to protect and strengthen. So with this product, the benefits are, of course, it's gonna protect and strengthen, but it also softens your hair. It makes your hair feel like silk. Like it really, really, really feels good. So what I'm going to do is take it down this section, And what I typically do is just put a few pumps in my hand, and then I go throughout that entire section and coat it with the serum. Now this serum is nice and thick, and it acts as if, it doesn't act like an oil, but it has the effects of like the shininess like an oil, but it definitely softens your hair, and you can feel the difference as you're running this product through your hair. It's definitely different than an oil. Like, you'll feel the difference. It feels like a creamy, I don't even know, just like a creamy product that just goes right into your hair, and it makes your hair feel so soft and silky. I absolutely love this product. And I like to make sure it gets everywhere, so I concentrate on the ends, and then I go throughout the hair too, just to make sure it's truly coating everywhere. And then I'm going to go in every other section and do the same thing. So now that I put the serum all over my hair, that is the last product and the last step for me.